Hi, my beautiful Your Kitchen family. How are you guys doing? Guys, you know that when we are growing up, it used to look like if you don't have money, if you don't break the bank, you will not eat fried rice. But guys, trust me, as it stands here, I'm here in my kitchen, we don't do like that. We teach you how to use small things that you have in your kitchen to make delicious meals for you and your family. So I'm going to be teaching you how you can make fried rice. You don't need to break the bank before you cook fried rice. How you can make fried rice with the little recipes you have in your kitchen. Stay tuned and watch how I do my magic in this kitchen. Have a lovely day. Mwah. I love you. So this is the little recipe I have in my kitchen. Here I have this carrot. I bought it for 300 naira. I have the rodo. I bought it for 500. I have onions that I have in my kitchen, the one that remained. Then chicken glory. This is part of the one that remained. Then I have this part of chicken curry masala that I have left. Okay, then I have sausage, half of the sausage, the one I remained when I made the sausage the other day I did live. And this is the stock I have in the fridge that I use for my chicken on Sunday, for Sunday rice. Then this is me. I on the gas here, and here I introduced the oil. Then I added onions. Then I stir it. I added my stock cube. Trust me, if you are making fried rice, you are not making it this way. You are not making fried rice. You're actually cooking rice with it means veggies. Okay, this is the real and perfect way of making fried rice. You have to put your oil, you introduce your onions, you fry it a bit, then you introduce your stock cube, then inside the oil, you pour in the rice, you introduce the rice, and make sure you mix very well until the rice has been combined with everything, especially the curry masala have been missing. You know, some people cook fried rice and they add a lot of color. I don't add color to my rice. The only color of my fried rice and game changer in my fried rice is curry masala. Any other thing apart from that, I'm not part of it. Okay, so this is how I do my fried rice. And if you want to try it, try this recipe. Trust me, if you try this recipe, you come back asking me, telling me thank you for this recipe. Then after I stir it, then I introduced the mini stock, and the stock wasn't enough. I added the extra water because this rice is very stubborn. This foreign rice is actually stubborn. I didn't mean stubborn. Stubborn I mean is that it increases, like it's a very good rice. Trust me. Then here and the rice has gotten stuffed in, but not too soft. Not too soft. I try to mix everything mix so that the ones up can come down and the one down can come up. Then I test and I discovered that I need to add more salt. I added more salt. Okay, if you look at me, I don't normally add too much salt on my food. Why? Because most of all the spices we use, they are full of salt. So I always add salt when I know I'm done adding all those spices and I discover I need to add another salt. Here I cover it and I discover that the air is coming out from this pot. Then I have to cover with my kitchen towel to allow it to get softer faster. In the other side of the pot, I put my frying pan on the pan and I introduce my oil inside it. Here I want to fry my odogu sausage. Trust me, if you don't have dessert, go for this. This is very good. This is very nice in the fried rice. The first day I trust this, since then I've never go to market that say I want to use liver. Then after that I added my carrots, I added my onions, I added my pepper, I added it everything and I mix and as I mix it, then I added my green beans. Okay, I added my these green beans we bought it for 200 naira. So guys, this food I can tell you and practically say that the money I spend in making this fried rice is no more than 5,000. Trust me, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Then I added here. I started adding my rice. See how I'm adding my rice. You know, you can imagine. Look at how it is. It is. Kekeba shape ugodu self. Let me use my dialect because it sounds better my dialect. Kekeba if you can kitchen shape ugodu kita. If you can kitchen shape ugodu. I want to name ever. There is no way you know. There is no way. If you're in this kitchen, there is no way you resist this rice. No. Even if you don't eat the good house, you tell me, oh, you know, please, I want some. Trust me, you will definitely eat it. You're not going where you come my house and they cook. You tell me, say you don't go eat. You must eat them. Even if you know they eat for person house. Trust me, because of the way, the smell, the aroma that will roaming around your house, there's no way you will eat it. Trust me. Forget that thing. Longer children go let you leave them. You go eat them. This is me tasting the rice, guys. At this point, oh my god, the rice was sweet, but I needed to add salt, a little bit of salt again. So I have to add it and I stir it. I keep stirring it. This is the fried rice. Go. You have to fry. Some people will just cook rice, color rice. They will add curry, everything, and they tell you that they've made fried rice. They will now start adding vegetable on it and turn it to gas. Said it's fried. No, you do not cook fried rice. What you cook is mixed rice with veggies. And here you see me introducing my fried sweet sausage. Okay, If you don't have a liver, don't bother yourself. Just buy sausage. 2,200. You cannot finish it safe. This is half 5 pieces. I use the pieces like this. See, the rice is ready now. Rice done ready now. See as rice be now. See as rice be. Trust me. Which 5-star hotel if you give you this kind of rice? Even if they give you this kind of rice, they go tell you say a plate for 10,000 or more. Oh, you know the carry rice. You see my hands. My hands are blessed. Whether you like it or don't like it, my hands are blessed. Even if you decide you cannot patronize me, God will send people that will patronize me. Trust me, I am doing well in my own way. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching and watch us. Let's dive into testing this food. See how food they look now. See food now. Almost see food. Food go school now. Harvard self pass. Harvard no pass my kitchen. Almost see this one now. Yeah, let's go together and test this food. Join me as we test this food. Join me as we check this food and know how sweet it is. Ready. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Look at how beautiful the fried rice is looking. I told you, you can do something in the kitchen. You can use fried rice. When you are craving for fried rice, don't think you can break the bank. You will not break the bank. Shall you see the small recipes I use? That is what I use to achieve this beautiful and sweet, contentious fried rice. Let's test it. Sweet. So delicious. Cheers. This is so sweet. Guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.